So today we've had the Orthopaedic Product News Conference looking at the future of knee surgery. It's been a really stimulating day. We've had a variety of speakers all looking at different aspects, from training, from simulation, latest in technology. So it's covered the whole breadth of innovations in knee surgery.
I think it's a good way of getting up to speed with new technologies and updates in the world of knee surgery.
This has been a great day. Really interesting conversations, both in the session, but also over coffee. And it's remarkable to see the kind of interest and engagement from attendees.
I'm from Taiwan, Taipei Tsuji Hospital. I'm an orthopedic doctor. I found this conference on the internet, and I've been interested in coming here for travel and join the conference also at the same time.
It's been interesting, not only because of the young people's presentations of cases, but also some of the talks we heard from the speakers about what the thinking is currently in the higher circles about knee replacements and problems facing surgeons.
But the introduction of technology and how it's going to affect training, how new surgeon go, it really was fascinating, and I'm glad I am here.
It's been a great event for us. We really enjoyed being involved. A lot of the delegates have had excellent interactions with. We see ourselves as a futuristic company within orthopaedic space, and obviously with the future of knee being the title for this event, it dovetails perfectly with what we're trying to achieve as the orthopaedic leaders within the knee replacement market.
So we've been regular subscribers to Orthopaedic Product News for many years. It was, my boss used to originally get the subscription himself just to read. It was great when we saw an opportunity to work with an organisation that's long-standing, that we know and trust. It was a really good opportunity for us to take up.
For ourselves, it's the orthopaedic consultants that we want to be speaking to, really. The consultants that are the ones that are going to be using the implant at the end of the day. So yeah, there's a really good attendee list. So we've got a good mix of north and south.
Sponsored the event because we tend to like to speak to decision makers, because then obviously they are the ones that will have the yes or no on whether the product is purchased or not. So again, the calibre has been excellent.